the other thing that I suggest people do is, and this is somewhere along the lines of easier said than done, is try to develop a relationship with a small bank. Maybe a credit union, not a mega bank, a
Right.
bank that would look at you as something more than just a FICO score. Most people today, when I had a lot more hair, the people would file bankruptcy and they took trips and they did this and they did that and the other thing. Most people, and it's been a long time now, who are up against it for one reason or another. And they don't very entertaining. Nobody likes to sit here and talk about filing a bankruptcy.